evening everyone. I am Sahiti and today we are here at the Tea Hub from St. Andrew's School. We are 11th graders and we got to do a very interesting project over here. It was basically a 3-step project. In the first, we used Teachable from Google and we worked on computer vision where we identified domestic animals from wild animals. The AI was able to detect it and we learned more about computer vision. In the second step, we made a small mechanic model of a lock system that our faces were recognized according to the data given, and the lock would open whenever the data given was accepted. For any other person, the lock won't open. So here we used different apps like Creya.com and Teachable AI, Microsoft Make Code, etc. This was a very nice experience as it gave us more knowledge about artificial intelligence, computer vision and different things like that. This, I am believing, that would help us a lot in the future being in science stream. Thank you.
Siddiq from class 11 of St. Andrew's School, Kisaya. This is my first time coming to Tea Hub for this kind of a workshop. I got to learn many things here. We had gone to many labs over here and I was able to know what all the uses of these labs are. This is basically a prototype lab. So prototypes, we got to know what are prototypes and what are all the things here. And we also performed an activity on programming. That was fun. We got to know many things about programming and other sources of programming. And yeah, thank you.